MTD CNC Global are at TIMTOS. We're in Taiwan. I've got two gentlemen with me here. We're going to talk about the machines behind us. I've got Jeff Wang here. You are the general manager or the GM of the company, and Eric Dugard from the UK, who represent or supply their products into the UK market. I just want to touch on the machines you've got here. But firstly, Jeff, has it been a good show for you here?
Yeah.
Lots of people interested in your machines?
Yes, yes.
Which machine do you think most people have looked at the most?
I think it's WTS, this machine. It's a new technology.
What's the technology behind it? Why are people interested in it?
Yeah, because this machine you can work quite long lengths, but with a very compact.
Very compact.
Yeah.
And for you, Eric, you'll be supplying or have been supplying these machines in the UK market for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah.
What do you like about the product?
Well, we've worked with Jeff since 2002, so we've had a very long relationship. And what I feel is, over the years, he's really developed the product through, with some really nice features and taking a lot of feedback from the customers, which is important.
I noticed that they've got machines with two turrets and two turrets at the top, as opposed to one at the top and one at the bottom. They've also got sliding head technology as well. On machines, coming through, and the double Y-axis on these machines. Big market or big opportunities for you, Eric?
Well, we think so. In Europe, as you know, is going into production turning in a big way. I mean, people are looking at more sophisticated machines. Jeff can go from a single turret, double spindle, 2 turrets, 3 turrets, now with a Y-axis as well. So we've got every base covered.
And Jeff, where are these machines built? Where do you make them?
Made in Taiwan, Taichung.
And have you got a big factory, a big place?
Yeah.
Have you just moved? Haven't you just moved there as well? Is it a new facility?
It's about 4 years ago.
4 years ago. So how many machines would you make in a year, for example?
About 600.
600 machines sold around the globe. Well, we're going to have a quick walk around the stand and we'll look at some of the machines. But gentlemen, thank you very much for your time today. Thank you very much, Jeff, and thank you, Eric. Thank you.